Did you know that you can use Claude Chrome extension to actually parse LinkedIn? Honestly, this is not my invention. I saw this in Instagram. He was doing Instagram analytics using Claude Chrome extension. And immediately it clicked my mind like, hey, LinkedIn doesn't provide any Claude connectors. So you cannot get data from LinkedIn, but you can actually use Claude Chrome extension to get data from LinkedIn. Right now, what I'm going to demonstrate is how to use Claude Chrome extension to use your LinkedIn data to create an ATS-friendly CV for you. Let's go. Okay, before we move on, wait. Two caveats. First thing first, Claude Chrome extension comes with the paid version. So I have Claude Pro, I used Chrome extension, it's available. Second caveat, you need to have your LinkedIn up to date for this use case. Let's go, let's jump in. All right, so first thing first, I'm just showing it in incognito because I have already installed it. So I wanted to show you how to go to Chrome Web Store. You go incognito, you go Chrome Web Store, search for Claude and jump in. You will see Claude from Claude.com. Of course, it needs to be verified, so please make sure it is Claude from Claude.com. And you go in, it is 2.6 review. I know why. Most of the reviews are because it is not free. And sometimes, yes, sometimes it makes mistakes. So be careful on what data you are providing, right? What data you are allowing. So let's go. All right, so here we go. And then you can click install the Chrome extension. And then here, now this is my LinkedIn profile. And you can see the Claude extension is already there. And I will just click open sidebar and then type in, hey, script the LinkedIn page and provide me details in Excel and JSON format. Why JSON format? Because it's very friendly, very useful, very easy to access for LLMs. So I used it for Excel for backup, JSON for LLM. You press enter, let it run. And I'm just using Claude Sonnet 4.6, and you can see that it's asking to approve my plan, right? It is providing an overview what it will access and everything, and I simply go ahead and approve. You can see that I always check and ask before acting, so it doesn't go crazy and go all over the world. And here we go, it started. So it will open, it will literally go in debugging mode. It will access all the data that's there in that web pages. But by the way, the web page needs to be loaded so it can access the data from there. It will take screenshots. It will like literally right now you can see it clicked open, expanded my job description over there, and literally now look at this. It is taking screenshot right now, and here's the screenshot. And okay, almost there I think, and that's it. Like literally it's done, and it has provided the JSON format and the Excel format. Oh, look at this, golden hour thinking. Wow. Yeah, I know it's Friday evening and I'm sitting here teaching you this, so you can waste your weekends on Claude. So let's go, let's do this. It's not waste, it's a skill building, you know this. All right, so here we go. Drag and drop the JSON and let it run. It will provide you finally with a CV. So here we go. Here we have the CV ready, and you can see like literally it is lots and lots of information is there. It is like really detailed, and I don't think that all these information are needed when you are applying for specific job roles. So I think next video I will just simply provide you how to, you are intelligent, you just go to LinkedIn, search for the type of jobs you want, and the list comes down. Activate the Claude extension, let it scrape, provide you the data, create CV based on those jobs. That's it. Target it, send it. All right guys, so that's it for this video. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.